Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by updating and confirming basics. Update Android Auto and Google Play services, then reboot your phone. Once done, swap to a known good USB cable and try a different car USB port. Many errors are cable or port related. Make sure Android Auto permissions are granted. Go to Apps, Permissions, and allow location, phone, SMS, and notifications. If the app still won't connect, move on without delay to deeper app and car settings. Don't stop at a reboot. Now dig into app and car settings to fix persistent errors. Clear Android Auto cache and storage, then force stop and reopen the app. This removes corrupt temp data. If that fails, uninstall updates and reinstall, then reauthorize permissions so the app can access necessary services. On the car, confirm Android Auto is enabled in the head unit settings and try pairing via Bluetooth first to establish a connection. Once paired, plug the cable in and watch for permission prompts. To finish, perform targeted recoveries. Reset network settings on your phone to clear stale USB and Bluetooth profiles, then reboot both phone and car head unit. If problems persist, perform a soft reboot of the head unit or, only if necessary, a factory reset. This clears firmware conflicts. After resetting, pair and connect step by step, approving prompts. Troubleshooting tip. If uncertain, test Android Auto with a different phone, if that phone works. The issue is your device. If not, the car needs attention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.